Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahsan Riyaz and welcome to my YouTube channel AI Techniques. Today is our lecture 7 of Python programming course. Let's start. In this video, I will teach you logical operators in Python. Logical operator is used to perform Boolean operation like AND, OR and NOT. Boolean operation evaluates true and false. It is performed on binary numbers 1 and 0. 1 mean true, 0 mean false. If expression is none, 0 and false, then expression evaluates false, otherwise true. Here is a table of logical operators with example for AND, OR and NOT. What is AND operator? AND evaluates to true if both inputs are true. And second one is OR. Returns true when either one input is true, which means if there is multiple options and multiple inputs and if only one input is true, then our operator values to true. Now we will discuss NOT. NOT operator invert the input from true to false and false to true. There is a table of all the logical operators AND, OR and NOT. First input is 0. You can say false, and B is also false, which means if A and B is false, as we know that when when both inputs are true, then AND operator true. Here both inputs are 0, so A and B is 0. 0, if first input is 0, so it is 0. In this case, second input is 0, so it is 0. And third, last option is both input are true, then A and B is true, which is 1. Now we will see A or B. In OR operator, when either one input is true, then it returns true. In first example, you can see both input are false, so which means A or B is 0. But in all other cases, one or at least both inputs are 1. So in all other examples, A or B is 1. Similarly, I have now that NOT operator inverts the input from true to false and false to true. In this example, if A is 0, then NOT A will return 1, and if A is 1, then NOT A will become 0. How to use logical operator in Python? This is syntax. We write A and B and or NOT. These are keywords in Python. Let's practically use these logical operators in Python. I have already opened my PyCharm and write some testing code for these logical operators. For example, I assign some values A and B and perform logical operator and OR and NOT. Let's run this program. First, I print values of A and B. You can see A equal to A is equal to A value is 5, which means it is true. And now we'll check the second option. B is equal to 10 or not. B is equal to 10, which is true. 2 and 2 is equal always true. And similarly, A is equal to 5, which is 5, which is written true. In OR operator, if one input is true, then we ignore all other inputs. We will not check it if we want to a is equal to 5 which is true, or b is equal to 90 which is false. True or false is equal to true. Because we know that in our operator, if any input is true, then it will return true. In third example, we test a is equal a double equal to b. A does not equal to b, which means it is returns false. And if you use not operator with this, then it will return true. If first it will evaluate a double equal to b, which is no, a does not equal to b, which is return false, and if you not with the false, then it will return true. That is our today lecture. Hope you guys understand the logic operators in Python with the example. If you are new on this channel, kindly like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel to learn Python programming from basic level. Thank you. I will meet you in the next